my channel. We are finally in November. I know there are still some Halloween things behind me, but I am pre-filming this. You guys know that I have a super busy December going on. So yes, today we're doing a makeup Monday that I'm quite excited about, at least. Well, okay, so you guys know I have really bad pores and lines and stuff. And on one of my videos, I cannot find it now, but on one of my videos, somebody recommended me a foundation, and I think it was this one, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm sure this was the one that somebody said, and I can't remember who said it, so if it was you, please do comment down below. But it was on a really random video as well, so I can't even find it. But I'm gonna be doing a makeup Monday first impressions testing this out. Mine is in the shade 101, which is porcelain. It was the lightest one that that was there when I went. I have primed my face with, if I can find it for you, I've primed my face with the Ordinary's High Adherence Silicone Primer. This is one that I've used loads, and obviously I wanted to use it again so that it's a fair test, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to move a little bit further forwards so we can see it better. I'm so hoping that this is going to work. This stuff is really affordable as well. So if it works, I'll be so happy. I'm going to apply it with a beauty sponge. By the way, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this, but there are, across the road from me, there is like a building site basically. Houses are being built. It's going to be like that for months and months. And I just really hope it's not going to be picking up on camera, or I'm going to be really annoyed. I don't think it will. So hopefully we'll be alright. Right, let's just get straight into this, you guys. I'm hoping it's going to have some good coverage, and also just not sink into the pores and the lines. Somebody actually physically said to try it, and I think this is the one that they said. Oh, I really hope it is. Colour is okay, which is always a bonus. It's actually very pale. So I feel like I did use quite a bit there, but it's all gone. So let's get some more out. So my forehead is where I get the worst lines. You can probably hear the kitten playing with like anything she can find in the background as well. But as I was saying, yeah, the fine lines on my forehead are so bad. So that's where it sinks in the most. Right, so coverage, as you can see down here, coverage isn't the best, but I don't know if it really even is trying to say that it is high coverage. I don't actually know. I just know it's supposed to not look like, it's supposed to give you smoother skin. Actually not looking that bad on my pores. If any of you guys use this at home and you think maybe applying with a brush is better, or you've got a better way of applying it, or you know a really good primer that works really well with it, please do leave me any kind of like recommendation down below. Okay, so I don't feel like the coverage is the best. Let's have a look at what this thing is saying to us. So matte and poreless, so it says normal to oily skin, and to be honest, that to me says that it might end up looking a little bit dry on me, because I kind of don't know what my skin is. Sometimes it looks oily, sometimes it's dry. I'm guessing it's pretty much just like a combo kind of thing. But it might end up looking quite dry around here. How is it coming off on camera? Like, you guys let me know what you think. I don't know why it's so bright, you guys. I've not got my ring light on. It's just really bright. And it's actually kind of freaking me out a bit. So coverage isn't amazing, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this concealer actually, although this concealer's a little bit darker. Just because, yeah, like it hasn't really covered that area. And I'm gonna go in with a Wonder, because this is supposed to be like really good as well. I've used this quite a few times. I've not really noticed it to hide my pores. Like literally nothing hides my pores and wrinkles. So if this foundation does, it will be a miracle. Absolutely everything creases on me. No matter what products I use, whether I use super high-end products. Like, yeah, it's just my life, you guys. How is it looking so far? What's the forehead saying, guys? So I've just gone and put a little bit of something on my face, and I've done my eyebrows. I can't believe how bad my eyebrows are right now, you guys. Like, I really need to get rid of all these straight hairs and neaten them up. I'm such a disgrace. But I wanted to just put a bit of something else on my face so we could see how it went on. And let me have a proper look. Do you know what? I'm going to be honest. So I do have like my forehead lines, although I don't think they actually even look as bad as they normally do. I know I've only had the foundation on for like half an hour or not even that, but everything creases straight away. I mean, you can still really see these forehead lines. But in terms of like my pores, where I've got the highlighter, it's emphasised it. That's always going to happen with highlight. It's going to emphasise any texture on your face. But in terms of like around here and stuff, where I normally would have like really big pores, I do think it kind of looks like it has smoothed out a little bit. Like, I will use this, and I can mention in like my vlogs what I'm thinking about it after I've used it a few more times. Obviously, I'm going to see how it lasts and what it looks like in a few hours time and that. And I can give you like vlog updates on that kind of thing. But yeah, as a first impression, which is what this video is, it's a first impressions video, I'm kind of liking it. It's just these bloody forehead lines. I just can't. But yeah, I think in terms of the pores, it actually does look like it smoothed the pores out a little bit. What do you guys think? Like, please do let me know your opinions. I don't have great skin at all, so I kind of have to be fair with products, and I just kind of compare them with each other. For the price of this product, like, I paid £5 from this. It was at Morrison's, and it was on offer. Like, it might be supposed to be £8 or something like that. I do normally get them when they're on offer, but I paid £5 for this, and it has applied as well as a £20 product would. So it's just going to be seeing how it lasts now, I guess, you know. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm really pleased with the shade. I think the shade for me was perfect, and like, it doesn't look like I've got like something different on my face. Always a plus. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me your recommendations down below. As always, I always take advice from you guys. And also let me know what you think about this. If you use it, like I said, if you've got any recommendations for how to use this, then please let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.